everyone on Friday Nights with Ray. Today we have someone very special and very dear personally to me, Dr. Nagaraj, owner at Dr. VN Academy. And he's doing incredible work in the area of training and development and specializes especially in the soft skills area of public speaking. He's an expert in that, and that is what he actually trained me at Indian Academy of Training and Development. So, Dr. Nagaraj, welcome to Friday Nights with Ray again, and we are so pleased to have you with us, and really looking forward to a very informative and learning session with you today. We understand that public speaking is basically a performing art, in which you have to be expressive as to whatever you want to say. You have to express it clearly with a lot of confidence and with immaculate body language. Also, whilst you're doing that, you have to create a connect with the audience, with the live audience. While you create that connect, you have to be emotionally intelligent and empathetic so that they can relate with you. So that is what we understand public speaking is. We would like to know from you, as per you, what exactly is public speaking?
Whenever you are addressing a set of people, if you're speaking to a set of people, that's public speaking, in my definition. It need not be large audiences where you have 100 people, 1,000 people. That is public speaking for sure. But then even when you address your own team, when you're addressing your own family members, you're addressing a team of friends, that is also public speaking. How do you do that effectively? What is the best way? What are the nuances of giving those immaculate messages to people which goes directly to their minds and hearts? That is effective public speaking, in my opinion. People remember you fondly. If people get the message that you wanted to deliver to them, understand them and remember you for that, then that's the efficiency of a public speaker, as I see. As long as you say, if you don't bore people to death when you speak, then you're a good public speaker. So to put it in a direct term, if the speaker is able to convey the key message that he wants to convey to the public, to the audience, in a very efficient and an interesting manner, then that becomes effective public speaking. Today, even in terms of recruitment, even in terms of assessing your skills, your interpersonal skills, even as a skill as a manager, as a leader, public speaking skills are given a lot of weightage by HR, by managers across the globe. Now, if you are able to convince people in a very effective way, if you are able to convince your team in a very effective way, then you stand ahead of others. So, when it comes to recruitment, when it comes to making a mark in your own career, be it academic institutions, be it corporates, be it any other kind of organization that you work, if you have good public speaking skills, then you're always cut above the rest. Public speaking skill is like almost mandatory today. It's a mandatory prerequisite if you have to be successful in your career. That's how I see it.
Would just like to add to what you're saying. Given these situations nowadays that people are connecting virtually and everything is going digital as well, I think the impact is only increasing day by day. People are supposed to connect with people. They have to communicate through virtual platforms. You can't just go away with it.